How to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. So first of all, you need to open Facebook. Sign in to your account. Tap on the menu icon at top right corner and you have to change your Facebook account to Facebook page. Now select menu icon at top right corner and you have to access the gear icon at top right to open the settings. Once it gets open, you simply need to tap on the search bar at top of your screen and type in page status. Tap on the first option. Now select manage admins and confirm that you are an admin of the page. Afterwards, exit the Facebook app and open Instagram. Tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner. Now tap on edit profile. Here you will see the option of page, select that. Now you can easily connect your Instagram to Facebook page. Select continue and then log into Facebook. Select continue and you have to select your Facebook page and tap connect. So your Instagram account is now connected to your Facebook page. You can come across your profile and then see that we have connected our Facebook page to Instagram. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.